Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cooking Share. Today we're making up some creamy coconut chicken, and what more can I say? The name speaks for it. It is so rich, so succulent, so incredibly delicious. You are going to love it. So let me show you how to make it. Okay, first things first, what we're going to do is add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat, and this is a tablespoon or two, followed by a small chopped white onion, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, you know me and my garlic, a thumb-sized chopped ginger, I guess depending on how big your thumb is, and a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes for some heat. Is entirely up to you, but about a teaspoon is good for me. And another teaspoon of smoked paprika. Okay, well, grab out the trusty old spoon and stir and saute everything until that wonderful, wonderful aroma of garlic and onion fill the air. Alrighty then, after about 2 or 3 minutes, we are going in with 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cubed up into kind of bite-sized chunks. And we shall just give these a stir around until that seasoning completely covers the meat. Oh, this is starting to smell good. And of course you want to season the old chicken up with a bit of salt, I'd say about a teaspoon. A couple of teaspoons of ground black pepper or pepper. Like I always say, I go a little heavy on the pepper, so you can cut back if you like, but I just love pepper. Then just continue to stir and fry this chicken for a few minutes. You want to cook through so it's no longer pink, so I'd say about 7 or 8 minutes, and we're still over medium-high heat. Now what we're going to do is grab up a fresh tomato and kind of chop it up. Then go ahead and throw that over top of the chicken. And don't you find tomatoes are just so good when they're in season, but it's too bad they're not always in season. Once again, give everything a swirl and twirl around until those tomatoes begin to kind of wilt. After those tomatoes are cooked down, we're going to go in with about 400 milliliters, a medium-sized can of unsweetened coconut milk. And this is going to be so good. I just love coconut milk. Now, I said 400 milliliters, that's about 15 ounces. Now, just look at that color, guys. Doesn't this looking incredible? So we're just going to give this once again the old stir-a-rooney. Then what we're going to do is reduce the heat to a medium and let it simmer away for about 10 minutes or so. After about 10 minutes or so, guys, we are just about done it, and just look at this creamy coconut chicken. I just love the color. This is going to be so good. Oh, wow. And I got to thinking here, guys, this would be so good over rice or even mashed. But you decide which one you're going to serve it up over. Maybe leave me a comment and let me know. And I really do love the comments, so don't hesitate to make them. But I think what I'm going to do for now is just put this into a bowl and ready to serve. And like I said, you can serve it up with whatever you like. But there you have it, guys. Our creamy, rich, ever so succulent coconut chicken. Of course, don't forget to spoon some of that ever so delicious sauce over top of the chicken or whatever you're serving it up with. And of course, a garnish with some green onions, and you can use cilantro or parsley, whatever greenish thing you have on hand. And believe me, guys, you grab this up and bite into it. It is ever so good. It's rich. It's on the coconutty side. Oh, the chicken is done absolutely fantastic. You're going to love it. And if you do try it, of course, leave us a comment. And if you're so inclined, give us a like, because it does really help the channel out. And subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay safe. We'll see you next time.